Hello and welcome to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
My name is Mark.
And my name is Lisa.
Today, we are talking about our daily routine.
Yes, we want to talk about a normal, happy day.
Lisa, tell me about your morning. What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? That is early for me.
Do you think so? I like the morning. It is very quiet.
I wake up later. I wake up at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock is also a good time. Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. My alarm is very loud. I need it to wake up.
Oh, I see. I do not use an alarm. I wake up with the sun.
That is very nice. Tell me, what is the first thing you do?
I open my window and look outside. I like to see the trees.
That sounds peaceful. I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Then I get up.
Then we go to the kitchen, right?
Yes, the kitchen is my favorite room in the morning.
Me too. I love to make tea.
I know you love tea. What kind of tea do you drink today?
Today, I have green tea. It is very warm. Do you want some?
No, thank you. I am making coffee.
You love your coffee, Mark.
I do. I like the smell of fresh coffee. It makes me feel awake.
It does smell very good. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do. Breakfast is important.
What do you eat?
Today, I am eating eggs and toast. It is very simple.
Simple is good. I am eating yogurt with some fruit.
That is very healthy, Lisa.
Thank you. After breakfast, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Me too. Then I get dressed for the day. What do you wear when you work at home?
I wear a comfortable t-shirt and jeans.
I wear a sweater. I like to be warm.
Now it is time to work.
Yes, I go to my small desk. I have my computer there.
I have a desk too. I sit in a big chair.
Do you work for a long time? I work for 3 or 4 hours. Then I need a break.
I agree. Breaks are good for the brain.
At 12 o'clock, I am hungry again.
It is time for lunch.
Yes, what do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a salad or a small bowl of soup.
I like soup when it is cold outside.
Today is a sunny day, so I have a sandwich.
A sandwich sounds great. I am having a cheese sandwich today.
Delicious. After lunch, I like to go outside.
Do you go for a walk?
Yes, I walk to the park near my house.
Is the park big?
It is not very big, but it is very beautiful. There are many flowers.
I love flowers. Do you see many people there?
Yes, I see families and people with their dogs.
I like dogs. They look so happy in the park.
They are very happy. I walk for 30 minutes, then I feel very good.
I should walk more often. I usually stay inside.
You should come to the park with me one day.
I would like that. Smile.
After my walk, I go back home and work a little more.
I work in the afternoon, too. I finish everything at 5 o'clock.
Me too. When the clock says 5, I stop. Smile.
Then the evening starts. This is a happy time.
It is. What do you do in the evening to relax?
I like to listen to music. I sit on my sofa and close my eyes. Pause.
That sounds very relaxing. What music do you like?
I like slow and calm music.
Smile. I like to read. I have a new book about gardens.
You really love nature, Lisa.
I do. Laugh. Reading makes me very happy.
Then we have dinner. Pause.
Yes, dinner is a special time.
Do you cook every night?
Most nights, yes. I like to cook rice and vegetables.
That is good. I like to cook pasta. Pasta is my favorite.
Pasta is very yummy. Smile. Do you watch TV after dinner?
Sometimes I like to watch funny movies.
Laughing is a great way to end the day.
I agree. Pause. Then it is time to sleep.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock too. I am usually very tired.
Yes, a happy day makes you tired in a good way.
Smile. I turn off the lights and I sleep very well.
And then the next day starts.
Yes, another normal, happy day. Pause.
Well, Lisa, it was very nice to talk about our routines today.
Yes, it was very fun, Mark. Smile.
We hope you enjoyed listening to our conversation.
We hope you have a very beautiful and happy day.
Thank you for being here with us. Smile.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Smile.